Hello everyone, welcome to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm making
Wait! It's not just morEwish cuisine, it's morEwish cuisine with E's. It's the first day of winter break, so we decided to make something for breakfast. And today we are collaborating with the mom, so today it's morEwish cuisine with the E's. With the E's!
Yay! So today we are making pull-apart cinnamon chocolate coffee cake.
Yeah!
Pull-apart cake with a hint of cinnamon, lightly glazed, and some chocolate chip. Perfect for breakfast with a cup of coffee or a tea time snack for your holiday. Let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So first I have butter. I have two different quantities. I'll tell you later why. Same goes for the sugar. I have two different quantities, a quarter cup and I have 2/3 cup. Then I have some baking powder. I leave all the ingredients down below and you will see it's like 4 teaspoons. This is not an error. I actually need 4 teaspoons. Then I have
some cinnamon, my favorite. And we have the chocolate chips, my favorite.
I'll be using some milk, and then I have flour. For the topping and the glaze, I have some milk and some icing sugar. So these are all the ingredients which we'll be using to make our pull-apart cinnamon coffee cake. So let's make it happen!
Yeah!
So first thing first I take the quarter cup of butter, and then this needs to go in a microwave and I need to melt it and I'll keep it on the side. Then I'll take my 8-inch round baking pan and then grease it and then keep it on the side. Okay, then I'll take my 2/3 cup of sugar and I'm gonna mix cinnamon, and then can you help me, Ishil, by mixing all the sugar in the cinnamon?
Yeah!
Okay, so
That's your favorite
there
cinnamon.
you go.
Isa.
Then just take a sifter and Ishil, you start sifting and I'll start adding the ingredients for
I
you.
want to sift.
So here goes, put it up. Here goes our rest of the sugar. Slowly. Wait, Ishil, wait. Baking powder and then our flour.
Now on your hand. Sift. There's still flour in it, Isa.
Good job. And then next I add my cold chopped butter. Now if you have a pastry knife, you can use a pastry blender at that point, but I'll be using my hand and mix butter until this mixture resembles fine crumbs.
Oh,
So this is all completely mixed. Now Isha, can you add Elmira, can you add chocolate chips for me in there?
yeah, because that's my favorite.
Just dump everything in there. That's cool. Use some spoon to mix that.
Can I mix it? Can I?
Now, you pour some milk in there, Isha. Just pour in some milk. Okay. And then mix until it forms a dough. And then I will use my hand again.
Put this to the side. Dude, it's almost getting to the dough.
Okay, then I'll do what? I'll transfer it in onto my clean countertop.
Ooh, wow, it's...
And then
We need to get it there. It's like dough right now.
try to form a dough
Can I?
with your hand.
Okay. Dough. Oh, some of the dough is getting
Okay,
late.
so it's okay. So knead it like 5 to 8 times, and this will turn into a soft cake dough. So now just flatten it and then cut it into 4 wedges. Okay.
Like mini pizza.
Now let's see what we're gonna do next.
A mini
And then
pizza.
one of the part cut into 4, make a sausage, and then cut into 4 equal parts. So in the end, you're gonna have how many pieces each? 4 into 4.
4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 10. 16?
16 pieces. Perfect.
We need
So we have these 16 little balls right here. Now you roll each piece into a ball.
Let me.
Okay, start. And then when you have
So with your 2
a
paws.
smooth ball, you just take a ball, dip in your melted butter,
Ooh,
and then
I got it so.
in your mixed cinnamon sugar
I'll
mixture.
do it.
And then
Ball, ball, ball.
this ball goes into our prepared pan. So one ball in the butter, then in the cinnamon sugar, and goes in the baking pan.
Here. Let's put it in the oven, Mom.
So it goes in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 375 degrees. So when your coffee cake is done and comes out of the oven, it's time to make a glaze. So just pour the remaining milk into your icing sugar and mix until you get a smooth, fine glaze. So let it cool down on the wire rack for at least 10 minutes, and then take it, just loosen the side. Okay, and then very carefully, what I did, I put the cooling rack and
What are you doing?
invert it on the cooling rack, lift it up, and then give it like 2-3 minutes. Put your platter on
It's
top,
getting heavy.
and
Whoa.
boom.
That's cool, Mom.
There you go.
That's very cool.
And then the glaze, which we just made, just drizzle on top of it. All the glaze goes on top of it.
Ooh, yummy. Yummy.
So girls, go and grab a cup of
I'm
milk.
gonna eat this one.
Really? You want a more glaze first?
Yeah, this one. Because that has a lot of glaze on it.
So here is our pull-apart cinnamon chocolate coffee cake. So my coffee is ready. Girls have a cup of milk. And what do you say, girls?
Time for the taste test. How you do it? Oh, I got it.
Yeah. Oh, you want the more frosting one?
Yes. I'll take this. Ooh.
Mom will take one too.
I'll try it. And then I'll have the milk.
Mmm.
I'm doing thumbs up. Yum. So we are already dressed up, and after this, we're heading out. And snowball fight.
Yay!
Hey. If you tried this recipe, just leave us a comment.
Yeah, if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching.
Happy holidays. Bye.
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 Where's my coffee?
It's delicious.
Oh.
Don't forget to subscribe on morEwish Cuisine.
Don't forget the E's.
Yay. Is it ready?
It is.